Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you all the step-by-step procedures on how to set up static IP address on your Linux operating system. Remember, we have two different types of IP addresses. We have the static IP address and we have the dynamic IP address. So we have the static and the dynamic IP address. The static IP address is a type of IP address that doesn't change, that is permanent. Meanwhile, the dynamic IP address is the IP address that changes. Each time you power off and power on your virtual machine, you have to get a new IP address. That is the dynamic IP address. To set a static IP, the very first thing you need to do, you have to run the command ifconfig. You run the command ifconfig to see your interface and to see your IP, your current IP address. So this is my current IP address that ends with 14.142, and this is my interface name, ENS33. So the next thing I will have to do here, let me clear up my screen. Remember my IP. Here is my IP. I'll clear off my screen. So the next thing I will do right now, I will have to edit the etc. This is config network script ifconfig file. So what I'll do right now, I'll say vi to etc to slash etc sysconfig network ifconfig ENS33 interface name. Remember my interface name, ENS33. So I'll enter. This file will open up. So this is the file I'll be editing to set up my static IP address. When I open up this file, the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to terminate all the IPv6 that I see on this file, because they're not useful. I'm not going to be using them in any way. So I'll clear off all the IPv6. I'll delete this line, delete this line, delete this line, delete this line, delete. Okay, the next thing I will do is I will have to change. I'll be changing this DHCP to known. Then I'll also, what else am I going to change? This no, this no, this no. This is yes. Then the next thing I'll add here is my IP address. I'll do IP add arrow. I'll put my equal sign. I'll open up my parentheses. 192.168.145, 168.145.14. Remember, my IP address over there was 142. But now I'll be changing it. I want to set a static IP, so I want to set my IP address now to be 143. Let me set it at 143. Then I'll close parentheses. The next thing I will do is a prefix. I'll set up my prefix. '24. The next thing I'll be setting up is gateway. I'll set up my gateway, which is 192.168. 192.168.145.2. That is my gateway. Remember, if you don't know how to look for your gateway on the system, on the Linux operating system, to have your gateway, you run the command netstart. You run the netstart command -rn. You run the netstart command, you're going to see your gateway. Now I have to exit from here. Save and exit. Let me cut this file to be sure of what I've written in there and to make sure it's still there. Okay, I can see everything that I wrote is correct and it's still there. So at this point, I'll clear. If I do ifconfig, you're still going to see the old IP address, which is 42. At this point, as you can see, my IP is still the same. So I'll be starting I'll have to restart my network. I have to do a network restart here for it to for the changes I've made to apply. I will enter, say yes. So it says restarting network viewer system. So my network is being restarted. So as you all can see, my network has been restarted. Let me see. Let me try to log in again as 42. You see it's not logging in. Let me try again. Let me try now as 43 to see. You see my network is up. I tried logging in again with the 42 IP, 142 IP, and it didn't work out. Now I'm trying it now with the 43 IP, which we've just set right now, the static IP. And this is it, we are logging in. So as you can see, I'm able to log into my IP now. If I say if config, let me do the if config again. Let's see. If I run the if config command, remember here was 142, now it's 143, which is the static IP that I've just set up right now. Welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched right now. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I post more interesting videos like this one in the days ahead, which I'm about to post, you will be notified by YouTube and you quickly watch those videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Drop a comment at the comment section, as your comment will help me to improve in my content creating aspects or skills. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Please subscribe.